person who likes to think that the devil moved out of hell, he left it to a lot of other sinners. And he came and moved into the crack pipe and the crack house.
It's all over. It's non-discriminatory. It affects blacks, whites, Hispanics. It affects men, women, young people, middle-aged people, and old people.
It was just, let me try a little bit here and let me try a little bit there. And pretty soon I was snorting so much I couldn't breathe through my nose.
Over time, we have to take bigger doses to get the same effect. The more we use cocaine, the more we deplete the brain supply of the feel-good neurotransmitters.
I was getting high by myself for a period of a few hours, and my heart just started bah, 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 bah.